Honestly, you need to stop. Don't waste another second struggling with Amazon merch. And here is why. If you're not making consistent sales on Amazon merch on demand, you're either doing it wrong or you're not using the right tools. And today I'm pulling back the curtain on showing you exactly how I built a scalable passive income machine on Amazon merch on demand. This isn't fluff or theory. This is actionable step-by-step guidance to help you crush it in the print on demand space. And by the end of this video, you'll understand the strategies that allowed me to hit consistent 5 to 6 figure months. I'll also reveal how I use the tool that is my secret weapon to discover profitable niches, optimize listings, and stay ahead of the competition. I've got big announcements for you guys. We're launching a brand new community where I'll teach you the exact strategies that have made me millions with print on demand. So if you're serious about scaling your business, this is the place to be. Stay tuned for more updates and more details. Oh, and if you're struggling to get accepted into Merch by Amazon, no worries. We're now offering an account creation service to help you get started right. Let's dive in. Now, here's the deal with Amazon Merch on Demand. Amazon Merch is a passive income powerhouse. You upload your designs and Amazon handles everything from printing to shipping to customer service, all of it. The best part is it's 100% free to start. Now, here's the catch. If you're sitting around waiting for sales to magically appear, you're doing it all wrong. This is a competitive space, and the only way to win is by working smarter than the competition. That's what this video is all about. Step 1. You need to use the right tools. Let me be blunt. If you're not using the right tools, you're making this 10 times harder for yourself. The tool that has revolutionized my business is Merch Dominator. It's not just a tool, it's a complete ecosystem for print on demand success. Here is why it's essential. First, you've got niche discovery. You can literally beat the competition to new trends. For example, if you go to the bestsellers module and you go to sorting, click on newest, click on search, you'll get the latest submissions that have just been uploaded and have sold. This is by far the best tool for identifying the best designs that have just sold and that are doing really well, which you can model after and make money from. For example, America is back. This design has been uploaded yesterday and already sold a few times. It's projected to make 226 sales this month, and it's 1 day old. And the data is live, guys. Look at that BSR, 471,957, right? If we go to Amazon, you'll find the exact same BSR. There you go. And this is the Merch Dominator extension doing its best. You can also go to Seller Trends and you can find trending designs that are trend in nature and also evergreens. It literally doesn't stop. All of these are opportunities that you can literally take advantage of right now. And as you guys know, timing is everything. Trends come and go. And by the time most sellers jump in, it's already too late. With Merch Dominator, I spot trends before they explode. Its real-time niche discovery features give me a huge advantage by identifying profitable gaps in the market. And if you're using the Merch Dominator extension, you can literally uncover hot niches directly while browsing Amazon. It's like having a superpower. Number 2, keyword research. You need to give Amazon what it wants. Amazon's algorithm relies on keywords to connect products with buyers. If you're guessing keywords, you're wasting valuable time. Merch Dominator pulls exact keywords that buyers are actively searching for. And these aren't guesses. They're proven high traffic phrases that help your listings stand out. This ensures that your designs get seen by the right people, leading to more sales. If I type Trump shirt, I get many phrases that people are searching for right now. For example, we want Trump shirt. Getting loser Trump shirt. Trump shirts for men 2024. Trump shirts for men 2025. People are actively looking for these shirts. And if you create designs around these quotes and you put these keywords in your listings, there's no way you wouldn't sell. Number 3, you've got AI tools to automate your workflow. Now here's where Merch Dominator truly stands out. It's AI power tools. These features save me hours every day. So first, you've got the AI listing creator. It generates fully optimized listings in seconds. Literally no more guesswork. Just copy, tweak, and upload. You've got 2 options. You can either use AI listing from keywords where you put any keyword you want. For example, Trump, we won. It gives you a bunch of keywords that you can use. So you could move this over to select it for the AI to use. You've got prefix, suffix, and variations. You've got Redbubble tags. This is huge. I've got all the possible keywords that can potentially work for this design right here. I've got Donald Trump, MAGA, America, President, Move all the keywords over that I think I'm going to use. Pin the keyword that I want to definitely use in my title and brand, and then click on generate. And immediately I get a fully optimized title, brand, bullet points 1 and 2, and description. We also have the AI listing from design. You could literally drag and drop your design right here and simply click on generate. The AI will actually read the image and craft a listing perfect for this design with Merch Dominator listing from design, which is specifically trained for print on demand. Look at that. This is literally just from the design, no keywords have been used. You've got the AI niche generator. Now, if you're stuck for ideas, this will find untapped niches for you to dominate. Let's say you find a quote that works really well and you want to scale it across different sports. Well, not to worry. You can just click any of the niches that are here, generate up to 10 sub niches, 10 different ideas. So you've got soccer, cricket, basketball, tennis, etc. You can specify the keyword yourself. So for example, winter sports, regenerate, and you'll get 10 different niches for winter sports. Look at that. Beautiful. Or you can generate random. You also have a quote generator. Let's say you need slogans for your designs. One click and you've got dozens of creative, ready-to-use ideas. So let's say you want a slogan for teachers, something that is funny. Medium length, let's try with 5 variations. Generate, look at that. I'm silently correcting your grammar, carry on. Teacher, because multitasking ninja isn't an official title. Straight out of coffee, still out of patient. Not bad. I teach, what's your superpower? And you've got different emotions like sarcastic, cynical, motivational, etc. And you can specify your own keyword. Let's say you want something for anime, regenerate, powered by ramen, and questionable life choices. Not bad. Let's try something sarcastic. Training to be the best at doing nothing. Not bad. This isn't about working smarter, it's about working faster. Number 4, you've got trademark safety to protect your account. Trust me guys, nothing kills your momentum faster than a trademark violation. Merch Dominator's built-in trademark checker ensures that your designs are safe to upload, so you don't risk account suspensions or takedowns. And the way it works is, let's say you've got your listing right here in the AI listing creator, you can scan that listing for trademarks immediately. Select your TM office, click on status registered, class 25, trademark type word, and click on check trademarks. It scans for your trademarks immediately, just like that. And then you can go ahead and check them properly, edit your listing, etc. And over here, you've got banned keywords. You're instructing the AI not to use these banned keywords. So this is how great it is. And number 5, you can scale like a pro. Every day, I'm looking for ways to scale my business, and Merch Dominator makes it possible. With all these features in one platform, I can focus on what really matters, which is creating high quality designs and growing my income. And if you're serious about success in print on demand, Merch Dominator isn't optional, it's a necessity. Trust me. Check out Merch Dominator, guys. You've got 7 days free trial. You've got absolutely no risk. You've got everything to gain and nothing to lose. Step 2, master the tiers. When you start on Amazon Merch, you're limited to tier 10, meaning only 10 designs live at a time. It's tough, but you can move up quickly with the right strategy. Number 1, you can either buy your own listings, and yes, it's allowed, and yes, it's the fastest way to unlock more slots, right? To move up to tier 25, 100, etc. But that's gonna cost you a lot of money, I'll be honest. The best way that I know is method number 2, which is targeting trends. Use Merch Dominator to find trending niches and upload designs that sell quickly. Trends are the key to breaking out of tier 10. With Merch Dominator, it's cheaper to get out of tier 10, and if one trendy design gets ranked well, then you can sell tens or even hundreds of that design or more, making you go up the tiers faster. And the best strategy is go to bestsellers, click on sorting, and then newest, click on search, find the latest designs and model after them. That is literally it. Because if they've sold and they are proven and the niche is validated, then you can sell as well. Because that's what people are wanting right now. And you can also use seller trends as well. Keep testing, you'll definitely sell. Step 3, create designs that sell. The market is competitive, no doubt. So mediocre designs won't cut it. And here is my formula. Focus on high demand niches, exactly like I showed you. Use Merch Dominator to identify what's hot. Use universal phrases. Use templates like easily distracted by insert niche. Work across countless categories. Pets, hobbies, professions, you name it. Go deeper. Don't just design for teachers, for example. Narrow it down to sub-niches like math teacher, dance teacher, or English teacher, for example. Niches within niches are where the money is. No excuses about not being a designer. Use tools like Canva, Kittle, or Ideogram to create professional designs that sell. Step 4. You need to optimize your listings. Your listing is your silent salesman. If it's not optimized, you're leaving money on the table. And here is my formula. In the brand name, use niche relevant keywords like funny English teacher apparel, for example. In the title, highlight the main keyword first. For example, in the niche, I before E, funny English grammar exceptions to the rule, t-shirt, something like that. In bullets, talk directly to your audience. Why should they buy your t-shirt or your design? Is it a gift or present? Mention occasions like birthdays, holidays, or hobbies. And the description is optional on Amazon, but crucial for Google SEO. Use it to rank on Google searches and include a strong call to action, like click on brand name for more designs or products, etc. Step 5, play the long game. This is really important, guys. This isn't a quick hustle, it's a business. To succeed, you need a system. And the system I like to go by is every single day, do this. Research, design, and upload, and repeat. Research, design, upload, and repeat, etc. Test consistently, because not all the designs are going to sell. Use the 80-20 rule. 80% of your results are probably going to come from 20% of your designs, so make sure you keep testing consistently. Use tools like Merch Dominator to stay ahead of the competition. Trends are great for short-term wins, but evergreen niches will build you a business that lasts. Make sure you join our community, which we are building. If you're serious about scaling your print-on-demand business, I've got exciting news for you guys. We're building a brand new community where I'll teach you the exact strategies that have made me millions. It's not just another group, it's a place where action takers will learn, connect, and dominate. So stay tuned for more details. And to give you a glimpse of what I'm talking about, we've got this amazing community for Arab speakers. We've got about 1,000 members in there, and the engagement is absolutely insane. We've got a community over here where you can post, interact with other members. We share niches, people share their designs, and they get instant feedback on them, etc. It is the biggest POD community in the world right now. People are sharing their results, etc. As you can see, they get niches every single day. You can post a design and get instant feedback from the community. We've got support 24/7. We go live to do support as well. We do live streams every single day. We've got a classroom where we teach everything from start to finish. We're about to do a live in-person event. So this is huge, guys. It's massive. We've made it so successful for the Arab world, and now we're bringing it to the English world. And I can't wait to have you be part of it. So definitely stay tuned. More details to come. And here's the bottom line. The opportunity with Amazon Merch is massive if you take action. If you're not using tools like Merch Dominator, if you're not optimizing your listings, and if you're not thinking long term, someone else will take your spot. And don't forget, if you haven't been accepted into Merch by Amazon, we can help you with our account creation service. So no more waiting around, we'll get you started. Until next time, go crush it.